If we had 800 schools that all shared a pair of school trousers, we had to replicate that product 800 times. So if we wanted to make any updates to that pair of trousers, we had to do it 800 times. And I was like, what?
What is this madness?
I don't know what to do with my hands with these things, but
That's good.
does
That's
that
fine.
look okay? Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm the Digital Marketing Manager at Price & Buckland. We were established over 65 years ago, and we supply both primary and secondary schools all over the UK with their school uniform and their sportswear. I've been with Price & Buckland now for about 2.5 years. And even at the interview, I questioned why they had two websites. One website was kind of a brochure site that bumped customers over to the eCommerce site, which obviously didn't provide a very smooth customer journey. All the products that all the schools had were called the same thing, so they'd just have a polo shirt and a PE polo and PE shorts. So due to the issue of all the duplicate title tags, what they'd done is de-indexed all of the products from Google Search Console. If our customers wanted to search on Google, just nothing came up. The very first company that we had that built the Magento site had built it quite poorly. Every time we tried to update it, there were a lot of bugs. It ended up being very time-consuming to make any updates and also very expensive.
Any other problems, or should we move on?
Loads, but I think that's probably the main.
How did you start looking for a new provider?
I really wanted somebody who had experience with e-commerce, ideally fashion brands. My idea was that it would make it much easier for our customers to navigate our website if it was similar to other fashion websites. Obviously, they had all the requirements. They manage several successful fashion e-commerce websites, and they have a platform that is bespoke to each client. So my one big aim really was to improve the customer experience, better search functionality, being able to navigate the website more easily, a better checkout flow, and being able to use multiple different types of payment options. But we also had a back-end problem. We really needed the new platform to fully integrate with Prima, our ERP system. The previous website was only partially integrated, which meant that everything had to be set up twice. With the full integration, that meant that customers could order from multiple schools, which obviously really cut down on customer complaints.
Let's talk about the results.
I've been working closely with the web team, and they were so happy with how quick it is to update products, to add products, create new schools. The admin itself is really easy to use. They're really happy with how much control we have. We used to have to set up thousands and thousands of vouchers. These would be linked to specific promotions. So even if it was the same promotion, they'd have to set all of these individual promotions up per school. Whereas now they can just set one promotion up and link all the schools to it. Done. Traffic's up, revenue's up, and SEO is hugely improved. PageSpeed Insights informs me of how much it's improved performance-wise, and I can go onto Google, type in any of our products, and they come up in the SERPs, which tells me they've finally been indexed. I am not going through another website development project. One was enough. So it looks like Remarkable are stuck with us for the foreseeable. But no, genuinely really excited about the future and what that might entail.